Have you ever wondered how to make your garden more sensory? Imagine a garden bursting with fragrant wonders, tantalizing your senses with every turn. We're about to explore 7 fantastic ways to infuse your garden with aromatic plants. So, let's dive into the top 7 ways to incorporate aromatic plants for sensory gardens. First up is the ever-popular lavender. Renowned for its calming aroma, lavender is a breeze to care for and adds a striking splash of purple to any garden. It's much more than a plant, it's a sensory experience. Lavender truly is a sensory delight. Next, consider adding rosemary to your garden. This aromatic marvel thrives in various climates and offers a strong, invigorating scent. It's not just a sensory delight though. Rosemary is also a kitchen staple, lending its flavor to numerous dishes. Rosemary, a sensory plant that is both beautiful and useful. Mint is another excellent choice for a sensory garden. With its invigorating aroma that fills the air, it grows swiftly, providing an instant sensory delight. Plus, it's a culinary powerhouse, bringing a fresh touch to your dishes. Mint, a sensory explosion in your garden. Jasmine is a wonderful addition to any sensory garden. Its intoxicating scent fills the air, while its beautiful flowers are a feast for the eyes. And the best part? It tends to bloom at night, making it a delightful surprise. Jasmine, a sensory treat for the evening. Citrus trees can add a bright and refreshing scent to your garden. Their strong citrus aroma pairs with the sight of beautiful fruit they bear. From lemon to lime, grapefruit to orange, there's a citrus tree for every preference. Citrus trees, a sensory delight in any season. Roses, a classic choice for any garden. They're renowned for their iconic scent, a sweet, lingering fragrance that captivates the senses. Roses bloom in a spectacular array of colors, each symbolizing love and beauty in its own unique way. Roses, a sensory and visual delight. Finally, we have thyme. This sensory plant with its subtle, earthy scent offers more than meets the eye. Its versatile nature makes it a perfect ground cover, while its culinary uses add an extra dash of charm. Thyme, a sensory plant that adds a touch of elegance to any garden. So, there you have it, 7 aromatic plants that can transform your garden into a sensory haven. Lavender, rosemary, mint, jasmine, citrus trees, and roses each bring their own unique sensory delight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.